We decided to come to Target to show you guys some of our favorite drugstore makeup because there's so many good things, but also when you come to places like Target, it's like overwhelming because there's so much makeup.
And we did the Sephora one and you guys reacted really well to it before we got kicked out. So let's see if we're gonna get kicked out of Target as well.
How many products we can get through
before getting kicked out. All right, you guys, are you ready?
This is one of Nora's favorite products.
And we're gonna do this real quick just in case we get kicked out again. We're on the lookout. So let's start. Pixi by Petra, the brand. They carry it at Target. Their Glow Mist is freaking amazing.
If Nora could like live with just like one face mist for the rest of her life, this would be
exactly.
It's really, really good.
I put it on before I'm gonna apply foundation. I put it on as I'm applying foundation. I wet my beauty blender with this. It legit gives you like this glow. So I've used all those expensive products with this mists and everything. This is definitely the best one. And I think it's around $15 at Target.
I just love Pixi's products. I think they're really good.
They're a really good
Another
product.
really good product, which we're right in front of, is the Covergirl Peacock Flare. I know that we've done a full look with this before.
$7.99.
$7.99. Really, really amazing mascara.
It gets your like lashes to be like peacocky. Okay, foundation.
Foundation, I'm a huge fan of the Maybelline matte and poreless one. This is the Fit Me one. It's $7. It comes with so many different like variations as far as the color goes, and it really does give you an amazing like matte and poreless flawless look. So and if I'm very impressed by that.
If you like the dewy as well, they have the dewy one. You know what I compared this to personally? What? I compared it to the Giorgio Armani.
Oh yeah.
The luminous and the matte. It really gives like a matte finish when you're using the matte.
So you can do dewy and smooth or matte and poreless. But again, $7 can't be the price.
It's amazing. Okay. Let's go. Let's go. Let's go. What else do we got? Let's talk about brushes. Sonia Kashuk's brand brushes are amazing.
And they're all on clearance.
They're all on clearance right now, you guys, at Target. And what's cool about it is they have a bunch of sets. So like, look how cool this set is. And you get everything you're looking for. Because so many brush sets come with like a lot of BS products that you don't really use. I feel like her sets actually have stuff that you're going to use for each one, right?
Yes, definitely. You guys, I have to tell you about my favorite nail polish one, the Essie one, but the one that's twisted like this. I take this, I buy it, and I take it to the nail salon myself. When I do a regular manicure, not even gel, this lasts me 3 weeks. So super, super awesome. It's the twisted one, the gel couture. Love it.
Ani's so obsessed with that product that she always buys me.
Because I'm trying to get you to use it. It's so
She
good.
always buys me these colors too. I'm like,
it's $12. Next, I'm gonna stop buying it for you.
We're back at Maybelline.
Yeah. Okay.
I forgot a product.
So this Maybelline product is really great. It's the Brow Define and Fill Duo. One side is like an actual little pencil, and the other side is actually filled with like a powder that's on the tip of this, and it's really, really good. It gives you a very natural full eyebrow.
Ani loves this. She even bought it for me, and it really is like
an
amazing product.
Like $8, so it's really, really great, and it comes in a lot of different colors.
We're at e.l.f. You know how much we love e.l.f. products. Have you guys met my little girl? She's 3. I saw an employee. Okay, so the e.l.f. product, my favorite one is the purple one. It's the Brightening Lavender. It's their face primer. It's $6, you guys. But what I love about it, first of all, you get so many different ones, like neutralizing green if you have redness in your skin. That's blemish the clear control. There's blemish control. There you have the clear one, but I love the purple one. I know a lot of you guys ask about what primers we use, and this is it. An amazing $6 primer.
I use the pink one, which is just a poreless clear one. Nora uses the purple one.
Oh, I want to use that too. I want to try that. Maybe I should get that for now. Poreless. There you go. Okay, onto lips. I'm a really, really big fan of the Covergirl Tinted Lip. It's $7.99. And first of all, what I love about it is they have such amazing colors.
So many colors. And they're all bright, cool colors.
Like really cute colors. And this actually reminds me a lot of the Too Faced one.
Yeah, and that one's like $20-something.
This is called Melting Pout. What was the other one called?
I don't remember.
It's like really similar name. Packaging. Like the packaging is really similar, and they have really cool colors too. So this is the drugstore version, $7.99, you guys.
Great price. So moving on to liquid eyeliners, this Revlon Color Stay one. It's a classic eye pen. It's like really, really sharp the tip. Like not sharp, but like it gives you like a fine line.
It could give you that cat look you want.
And I really love this one because I feel like it doesn't smear, and it's actually really easy to do a cat eyeliner with this. And this one is $11.
That's the one you use, right?
Yes, love it.
Alrighty. Oh, this one. I love this one.
Yeah, you're a huge fan of that.
This color especially, I love. It's the Ultra HD Matte Lip color. What I love about it is the fact that it's so lightweight. It's not, you know, when you wear liquid lipsticks or matte colors, it gets like very drying.
Like heavy, dry.
This doesn't feel that way, you guys. It's like really smooth, and it's a really good product. Go Revlon. Oh, they've expanded. Look at all the new colors. For bronzers, I really like the brand Rimmel London. Do it.
Rimmel London. Scandalize.
We have a video that we did a few years ago.
Scandalize. This is actually really, before you get to your product, this is a really, really good, just simple black waterproof eyeliner. Rimmel London.
Rimmel London. That's a good commercial because it's still in our head.
I'm actually gonna buy this.
But their bronzers are really, really good, and Target is now having clearance on this. It's $3.48.
Oh, maybe I'll get one too.
I'm gonna totally get it.
Cool. Waterproof.
They have 4 colors, and it's really they have really nice colors. Because I feel like bronzers are really hard. Like sometimes you just think it's dark and you apply, like nothing comes out.
Yeah. So should I get sunlight or sunshine?
I'm getting sun bronze.
Oh, you crazy rebel.
Ani's breaking shit. They're definitely gonna kick us out of here.
Oh, you're getting very bronzed. I mean, we all do both.
I'm getting the one that has the clearance sticker on it.
Mine doesn't have a, oh yeah, I found one with the clearance sticker. Done.
You guys, we found makeup remover. So this is one of our favorite makeup removers. It's the Neutrogena one. The full packet's $5.59. The small packets like these are only $1.70. And I feel like this is the one that actually gets rid of your makeup.
This can get rid of like 17 layers of makeup.
I have a funny story.
It's amazing.
So Ani always keeps these in her car. And she has a habit of like, if we go out at night and we go to dinner with the girls, or we're done shooting, she sits in her car. The first thing she does, you'll see her driving, and she'll be like,
I stopped doing that.
She's legit Cinderella. She falls apart in her car.
I do.
So she always carries makeup removers and removes her makeup in the car as she's driving home.
I actually stopped doing it because I ran out, but now I can put it back in my car. Thanks. So as far as concealers go, e.l.f. has an amazing one. It's the HD Lifting Concealer. This reminds me so much of the NARS one that we use all the time.
The packaging is the same too.
The packaging is exactly the same. It's $3, and it really does like brighten up your eyes so much. So this is an awesome concealer.
You guys were in the baby aisle just because they kicked us out of the makeup aisle.
Oh, we have one more product to tell you about.
The L'Oreal LA Palette Nude. Their nude palette is amazing. It's $18,
but look how many colors you get.
All colors that you'll use. And it reminds me of the, what's the other palette?
The Naked palette.
The Naked palette.
Yeah, which is $54.
This is the nude. That one's the naked. Yeah. Okay, so we're done. That's all our drugstore products. We got through all of them before getting kicked out. Yes. Welcome to my new life, guys. We got makeup here and diaper life here. And that's a wrap.
That's a wrap. Hope you guys enjoyed this video. Before we got kicked out, at least we got to go.
We got through all of them this time, so we're super excited. And we got my diapers
and
some makeup, and we're ready to go home.
Let's do it.